yung Win Your Cyber Libel case is really a very important one kasi especially for us practitioners, nandun kasi, of course, ang legal aspect, okay. But for me, particularly yung technical aspect, like kanina yung question ko, how do you access the user ID, yung mga ganun, hindi mo siya basta-basta makuha sa libro no? So, very important talaga, very relevant for us, for winning the cyber libel case. And also, sa panahon ngayon ng very advanced technology, ng mga AI, napakahalaga na magiging abreast tayo, not only as lawyers, with the advances in cyber technology, in cybercrime prevention. Like me, I have been a victim several times of phishing, no? So, maganda. And I hope with this book also, kasi may mga specific questions din ako sa cyber libel cases and cybercrime cases. I hope to be able to find this in the book. If I don't, of course, I can always ask Attorney Jimeno in person. Congratulations, Attorney Jimeno. Napaka-timely, napaka-relevant, and napaka-mahalaga ng ginawa ninyong libro and yung contribution ninyo sa cybercrime and prevention in the Philippines. Please continue to do well. And what was your mantra? God is great all the time. I am forever grateful.